819 times 312. And then?
Minus
Minus.
21,300.
Okay, you do this one. Carry one. Okay, and then what do we do with the answer? This is for this. Okay, minus 305. Okay. Okay, so that will be the answer for number 1. Where will you put? 3, 4, 3. Next, how much more is the product? What does product mean? Product mean? Times. Product of 507 and 84 than the product of 403 and 67. Okay.